I've always believed that every small moment can change your story.
So what's your next big plan?
I'm ready to try something new, something bigger than fear.
Growth begins the moment you step outside your comfort zone.
This is just the beginning.
Grok has released a biggest update for free users. Today, I am going to show you how to take one single image and stretch it into a very long video with consistent characters, perfect lip sync, and high quality dialogue. If you want to move away from those tiny 5-second clips and start building a real YouTube channel with long-form stories, you cannot miss a single second of this. Before we dive into the particular section, do the algorithm dance for me, like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and drop a comment. Even if you just type great or AI is taking over, it helps push this video to other creators who are struggling. No more wasting time, let's get into the guts of this process. First things first, we need a face for our brand. Head over to Pinterest. So you can do this on your phone or PC, it doesn't matter. Just search for whatever character fits your niche. For this tutorial, I'm searching for an image of a beautiful lady. Now, don't just pick the first thing you see. Look for someone with clear features because the AI needs to map her face. Once you found the one, click those 3 little dots and hit download image. Got the image? Perfect, but we aren't done. If you take a Pinterest image straight to a video generator, it often looks off or doesn't fit the 16:9 YouTube frame. We need to standardize her. Now, head over to Whisk AI, click on Enter tool, and then here you will see subject option. Simply hit that and click on Upload Images button. Then choose your Pinterest image. Whisk is going to analyze and process the image. The secret is to recreate the image here first. Click that little pencil icon and you can copy the prompt it generates or just hit resend. Whisk will give you 2 new versions of that lady. These are now AI native images. Choose the best one, right click and save it to your device. Now, could you go straight to the video generator? Sure, but will it look professional? Probably not. To get a consistent tone and an accurate arrangement, you need ChatGPT. Click the plus icon and upload your image. Now give it the specific command. I need a prompt to generate a video from this image using Grok AI. A video that comes with different scenes. Different characters should appear in that scene, and this lady here should be the major character in the video with perfect lip sync and with voiceover and with dialogue. Thank you. Remember, always say thank you to the AI because when the robots take over, they'll remember who was polite. Jokes apart, now ChatGPT is going to give you a full script, usually 4 or 5 scenes. This is where most people get confused about character consistency. Pay attention. To keep the voice, the facial expressions, and the vibe the same across 10 minutes of video, you have to follow the master prompt rule. Now, head over to Grok AI and you can find it on the App Store or Play Store, or you can just use web version like me. And yes, I'm using the free version. Once you've signed up, go to your settings, then go to behavior and look for enable automatic video generation. If you want your image to actually turn into a talking head, make sure this is toggled on. Now click imagine and then select the video. Choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. If you're making a TikTok, go 9:16, but for YouTube long form 16:9 is the king. This is the part that fixes the my AI won't talk problem. Copy the overall structure prompt from ChatGPT, the part that describes the camera, lighting, and style. Then paste it in Grok. Now listen carefully because this is important part. Or copy scene 1 prompt and make sure the dialogue line is placed at the very top of your prompt box. That's why we already told ChatGPT to put the dialogue part at top. Once all set, click on submit button and your video will start generating. We are doing this because if the dialogue is buried at the bottom, the software gets distracted by the cinematic lighting or zoom in instructions. By putting the dialogue first, you tell the AI, speak this and do the rest while you're talking. Let's see the result.
Some days, the city feels like it's moving faster than me. But today, I'm ready to catch up. Some days, the city feels like it's moving faster than me.
Did you see that lip sync? It's flawless. If you were wondering how I get my videos to look so human, that's the trick. If you haven't liked and subscribed yet, now's the time. Seriously, that tip alone is worth a sub. Before you download, look at the quality. It's okay, but we want HD. Click the upscale button. Now it looks like a professional movie. Download it. Now move to scene 2. First delete the scene 1 prompt but leave the structure prompt at bottom. Then copy the scene 2 prompt from ChatGPT and paste it right here. Once everything is ready, hit submit. It will start generating the second scene. Now look at this result.
We've been waiting for you.
Ready for today's adventure?
Born ready. Let's make this day unforgettable.
Notice how our lead lady still looks exactly the same. That's because we are using the same attached image and the same master prompt structure every time. Repeat this for scenes 3, 4, and 5. If Grok tells you that you've hit your free limit for the day, don't worry. You can use different accounts. This is the final step to making your long form video. Take all those individual clips into an editor like CapCut, InShot, or Premiere. Import them one by one. Drag them onto the timeline. Now look for the parts where she stops talking but the poor video keeps running. Trim those dead parts off so the dialogue flows naturally from one scene to the next. You can add a soft transition, some background music, or some automatic captions to make it look pro.
Some days, the city feels like it's moving faster than me. But today, I'm ready to catch up. We've been waiting for you.
Ready for today's adventure?
Born ready. Let's make this day unforgettable.
If every day could end like this, I think I'd never stop chasing the light.
To new beginnings.
To the journey ahead.
Can you believe that came from one Pinterest photo? It's crazy, right? You can use this method to make 10-minute documentaries, 30-minute motivation videos, or even full short films. Just keep your master prompt consistent and not always put that dialogue at the top. I really hope you found this helpful. If you're still here, you're clearly serious about your creator journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me what you think in the comments. Even a grade helps. Share this with another creator. Let's stop the struggle of inconsistent AI characters together. Thank you so much for the support. I'm truly grateful for every one of you. I'll see you in the next one.